What's up, YouTube? I just thought I'd put out another little quick video. I've been going through a bunch of my coins, been researching their values. Some that I thought were just bullion turned out to be actual silver dollars. Um, Basically the ones I got from like New Zealand and Australia and whatnot. So listen, guys, if you're into these type of videos, thanks so much for watching and subscribing. Thanks for checking out my website, myroadtowealthandfreedom.com. I'll throw a link in the description. Just thanks for joining me here on this journey of coin collecting, investing in bullion, and just investing in general, talking about the markets and whatnot. Years ago, I had some relatives who visited Australia and New Zealand, and I was into collecting silver bullion like this. You see, this is the Canada 1 ounce silver maple leaf. Anyways, they picked me up an Australian kookaburra 1 ounce coin. It's 0.99939 is fine, pretty cool. Anyways, so I checked these out. The kookaburra is like actually a bit of a premium coin, and normally the Australia Perth Mint or whatever, they make the silver kangaroo. I actually don't have a silver kangaroo, but anyways, they picked me up this one. This one holds a bit of a premium, and I checked it up just looking on eBay to see something from the year, I don't know, 2006, what this would fetch. And it's going for about, I think, 80 Canadian, probably about 60 US dollars. Not too bad, not too bad. The other one that they got was this one here. This is a New Zealand $1. It's a silver dollar. I thought this here was silver bullion. And this is an actual silver dollar. And I have this certificate. I don't know how many they claim were made that year. This is number 1280. I think only 2,000 or 2,500 were made. Anyways, this coin here, to my surprise, is worth a lot more than its silver content. It is a 1 ounce fine silver coin, yes, but this coin on eBay, these are actually rare coins, I guess, with mintages under 3,000 for sure. This is a 2006. I also have the 2005, but that's in my safe deposit box. The 2005 is actually quite valuable. I think it's around 450 US dollars. That's about 600 Canadian, a little bit more. And the 2006, little less common, or a little more common, and it goes for about, I don't know, it was like a 400 Canadian, which is about maybe 320 US, 325 US. Not too shabby for a couple silver coins that I just thought were basically silver bullion. So it's a nice mistake to make. I'm so glad I didn't just try to dump this on eBay for spot plus a small premium. Well, anyway, that was a nice surprise. So I just want to talk a little bit about silver lately. It's been a long time since I actually bought physical silver. Really long time. Well, I guess the odd coin here and there would be physical silver, but I mean like silver bullion. And just recently I put in an order. I decided to buy 10 ounces of Royal Canadian Mint Maple Leafs 2020. This is an old one from 1998. The new ones have the radial lines. It has the mint DNA, bullion DNA, mint shield, so there's no milk spotting. Really high quality coins. I can't wait to showcase them. I'm going to put out a video once I receive them. And the number one thing I've been buying a lot of lately too is gold. Decided to add a little bit more. I know gold prices are pretty high, and in the back of my mind I'm kind of concerned because I know a lot of people selling their gold and silver now are people who got burned on the last bull run. They bought at the top and they bought too high, and now I'm seeing a lot of old coins. I remember back in 2008 when gold, there in mid 2000s when gold started to rise. Once it got past the $800 mark, you saw a lot of coins from the late 70s, early 1980s show up. I had auctions on eBay and through bullion dealers and that was people who bought 20 years before at the top. you had to wait a good 20 years to kind of break even. So if you bought at the top back in 2011, you're probably looking to get out after almost 10 years of a bear market in gold and silver. So anyway, I'm decided to add a little bit more gold and silver because I really don't like what's going on with the government's printing money. You know, I wasn't too concerned about them before, but since 2018, you know, they stopped raising interest rates. They started to cut. They've embarked on a new round of quantitative easing, and then we got hit with the coronavirus. So I feel like the economy was already kind of slowing down, and then the coronavirus hit, and of course that sent everything into a tailspin, and trillions and trillions and trillions. Everybody's doing it all around the world. It's just basically, how much longer can this actually go on? How much money can they print before it really does become worthless? And the economy's asset prices, these huge asset bubbles that have just been fueled by money printing and cheap credit, low interest rates, cheap money. How long can this really go on until, you know, the music stops and everything kind of falls apart? I'm not sure. You know, it's not like I dumped all my stocks and stuff. I still own a lot of my investments. But I'm just trying to be smart and hedge a little bit, because I'm really not sure how this is going to work. It worked in 08, 09. Who knows if it's going to work this time. The numbers are astronomical, trillions upon trillions of dollars. Like, it's just insane. I think they're saying the Fed balance sheet by December will be about 10 trillion. I mean, that's a lot of moolah. Anyways, guys, that's just kind of my thoughts, what I'm thinking. Anyways, let me know what you think. Leave some comments, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, myroadtowealthandfreedom.com, for more cool articles on coins, bullion, investing, stocks. I basically just kind of write whatever's on my mind. Check it out.